Getting close to lunchtime. Hey everyone, it's your buddy Brian here. It's a beautiful day on the dock. We're just doing some fishing, trying to catch us some lunch. We're hoping for fish tacos, but I'm not a very good fisherman. But oh, I think we got something. I think we got something. Oh! Hey! Cod loin. Well, let's do a blackened cod fish taco, shall we? Everybody get ready and let's grill crazy.
Let's grill crazy.
All right, we got our beautiful fresh fish just caught. So let's talk about the accoutrements of our fish tacos. We're gonna do a Pico de Gallo, we have a citrus crema, and then we'll top it off with a little avocado because life is just better with avocado. Let's get into this Pico. So, beautiful fresh tomatoes. And when you're cutting into them, cut it so you kind of lose the core, don't have a lot of seeds, because the more seeds you have, the wetter that Pico is gonna be. We're seeding the tomatoes because if we don't, it's just going to be way too wet. And now we just run our knife through it. Beautiful. We're going half a white onion. Show you what my grandma taught me. Do it nice. Thin slices, not right to the edge, but pretty close. And then you take your knife, and you go there, and then you run your knife through, and you got a beautiful minced onion. And that's good for that. Thank you, Grandma, for showing me. We got a jalapeno for some spice. Especially when you're making for a crowd. Make sure you seed that jalapeno. Not everybody likes it really spicy. Just take your knife and run it through, get those seeds out. And make sure you wash your hands vigorously after playing with a jalapeno. And we're gonna do a nice small dice on that. And that goes in the pool. All right, I have made a mess, but that is okay. We got some beautiful fresh chopped cilantro we're gonna put in there. We got a juice of 1 lime, some salt, and then just stir that baby around. And that is a beautiful fresh Pico de Gallo, and that's gonna be so nice on our taco. So you can let that sit in this bowl. It'll keep for a little while, put it in the fridge, and you're good to go. All right, let's get to the fish. All right, let's get the lowdown on this rub down. We are going with 2 tablespoons of paprika. Oh, 1. 2. You're going with 1 tablespoon of cayenne for that beauty heat. If you overgo, it's okay. We got 1 tablespoon. Oh yeah, such precision. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. We're going 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Oh, yeah, but it's worth it. We got about 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper. We're going 1 tablespoon of salt. All right, we are going with a 1/2 teaspoon of basil and a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, or oregano, however you'd like to say it. Beautiful. Take our fork, mix it all together. All right, and that is our blackening spice. We have our beautifully filleted cods that we did ourselves. Just make sure you get it all on there. It's okay to be liberal because this is all flavor. You want to get all sides. So we'll go flip these over. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's get both hands dirty. And you just get all sides, make them dance. All right, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna get the Canadian candle all ready to go, and then we are gonna cook this fish. Let's get at it.
Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications.
All right, well, like I said inside, we're doing this on a Canadian candle, but I'm not allowed around power tools, so Reed's gonna explain what we're doing. Take it away, Reed.
What we're gonna do is take this log here, we're gonna cut it so it's flat on both ends with our chainsaw, and then on the top, we're gonna cut basically an asterisk or a star into the top of the log, and then we can start a fire inside the log. So let's get into it.
All right, Reed's got this candle going. We got that pan on. Let's get this cod cooked up. Oh, that smells dynamite. And now this isn't gonna take very long at all. A couple minutes just to get it nice and cooked. We're gonna get a nice black on there because of the heat and the spices on there. Oh, so good. Can't wait to put this in a taco. All right, this fish is looking beautiful. We're gonna take this off the heat, get him inside. Let's assemble these tacos and let's get eating. All right, we are inside and we are ready to eat. So, how do you make a taco? You all make your tacos the way you like them. I'm gonna show you how I like them. So, I got some beautiful mashed avocado. Nothing fancy, no guacamole, no anything like that. Just some nice avocado. Do that on both. And then a little Pico de Gallo. Oh yeah. Oh, my mouth is watering. And then our beautiful cod here. It flakes apart so nice. It's a beautiful fish. And then we are going to finish it off with a little citrus crema. So all we did in here, sour cream, lime juice, salt and pepper. Do it to your taste. A little more limey, a little more salty, a little more cooly, whatever you want to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, all right. Let's get eating.
Oh baby, these are looking great. I think it's about time to get into them.
What you doing there, Rita?
Oh, hi. I want it to be famous too.
I don't blame you. Here's a beer. Let's get into it.
Oh, what do we got? Sucrums.
Sucrums.
Cult classic. And what do you got there?
I got a Desert Island IPA.
Beautiful.
Clinky.
Clinky. Oh, that's nice.
That is good. It's weird being on this side of you.
Weird being on this side.
Let's
Anyways,
get into it, man.
All right, man. These are looking so fresh.
Oh, yeah. Clinky.
Clinky. Oh. That's phenomenal.
Just the right amount of spice. That crema cools it off just enough. Oh, so fresh.
This tastes fishy. Eating the fish tacos because he made them.
You're a natural, man. You're a natural.
I'm a au natural. The pico and the fish. Oh,
So good.
love it.
So good. It's so good. Well, I guess since you're standing there, are you going to sign off?
Yes, I will. just remember, if you're gonna grill, grill crazy.
That's right. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.